I'm ready.
I'm ready screaming, y'all. Now I'm gonna be screaming in like 2 seconds. Y'all, girl, we up in the earth. But when it comes down, child, I'm with you. Girl, it got me all. I'll talk to y'all later. I'll talk to y'all It wore me out. Take it like a pro. What you know? I can't take you. It's rocking, y'all. Oh, Lord. And break. And break. I'm in the lane. I'm gonna pay. Oh, shit. I'm feeling good. I know I wanted to get it on the first wheel, but I changed my mind. I want to get down. My feet hurt, y'all. I'm trying to.
There's something wrong with the floor. Some of that.
You laying back?
It's so beautiful. I'm relaxed now. Baby, how you feel?
I feel fantastic.
They said don't rock it.
Come on.
Baby didn't trick me into, all these rides. We did a thing. We did a thing. We had the carnival. Hey y'all, hey, what's going on? It is your faves, your favorite aunties, that is. Y'all know I'm your favorite auntie, Tanya.
And I'm your TT Tech.
She is behind the camera. We are on our way to the Grand Canyon, y'all. I am so excited. We went on here and got a tour. So we're gonna go to the Hoover Dam. We're going to the Grand Canyon. It's a 10-hour tour, y'all. So we are so excited that we do not have to drive. Like, this is amazing. So if you ever come to Vegas or anything like that, make sure you check it out. We leaving at 6 o'clock in the morning, coming back at 4 or something like that, babe. So yeah, y'all stay tuned, and we're gonna show y'all everything that we get into.
there's a highway built between the two so they could go gamble. So this is a Boulder Highway, the highway that used to connect the two cities, but nowadays the new 95 freeway came in and cut traffic off of Boulder Highway. Now each one of the panels produces its own electricity and sends it back to the grid. We actually have another solar plant just south of Las Vegas that's a little bit different than this. Actually where I spent just about 2 years of my life as the project engineer on the lake, actually putting in for the morning tour. What do? You can do a kayaking tour. Our gift shopping at the Better Gift Shop today at Eagle Point. So our gift shop today is going to be at Eagle Point, but go through that, it'll kind of give you that. We're about to be on top of that mesa. Right behind that mesa, gigantic canyon, Grand Canyon. We are almost there, folks. This is our final turn up to the Grand Canyon. You see these Joshua trees here. They are massive. Some of the trees here for the next 5-10 minutes, some of these trees are the trees that are over 500 years old. So we're just taking our final rate up to the Grand Canyon. Some Grand Canyon facts for you guys. The Grand Canyon, 278 miles long. At its widest, the Grand Canyon is over 18.5 miles wide. At its deepest, the Grand Canyon is over 5,000 feet deep. My favorite fact about the Grand Canyon is if you took all the river water in all the world and you took the...
Hey guys, so we have made it to the Grand Canyon. Look at that. Okay, so we're gonna go around and show y'all a lot of it, but y'all, so we were standing over here. I'm gonna show y'all better, turn the camera around. Child, the back of my knees were hurting. We could not take our camera, we could not take our phones. We had to put our bags and everything up into the lockers, but I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like really quick, so let me turn the camera around. So you guys, as you can see right there, that is called a skywalk. And honey, it is clear glass at the bottom, so you see all the way down to the Grand Canyon. But you guys, it is so beautiful. We are at a, just a little, I guess, rest stop area right here where the Skyview is. And so, you know, they have to make their money, baby. So they built that, honey. And the people go up there, you pay $25, $35 for a picture. And y'all, it is absolutely, I mean, of course, you already know, honey, the camera is not even doing this justice. If you ever have the pleasure to come to the Grand Canyon, honey, I would say take it, because it is absolutely amazing out here. But more videos to come. We finna leave here. I hear some people, music and stuff like that, so we finna roll out to the other side. So guys, this is just another little section right here, and we're about to come across this house. Girl, honey, baby, how old would you say that was? Honey, this looked like Jesus stayed in it himself, girl. But it is absolutely beautiful, you guys. This land is so amazing. The air is so amazing. It's crazy. Oh, let's see. Let's see. Baby, they said rattlesnakes can be over there. Yeah, everybody else is. Okay, so the end is right here. Okay, but let me get you. I don't want you to. Oh. Oh my gosh. Wow. Look at this, you guys. Oh, girl.
So cool.
It feels amazing. This is amazing. Y'all, oh, I think I heard something rattling. I heard, oh Jesus, Lord, please. That's possible. I did just buy these Crocs, and I have these little bells and stuff on them. So you didn't keep those on there. Yes. Oh, this one look like it might be a little taste shorter. They kept the short people in here. It is. Once you get on the inside, the entrance of it is. It's different, but y'all look at this. It is so amazing. This is great. You guys look, real Native Americans. I mean, we're just gonna call them Native people. We're gonna call them the Indians that they are. Native American just doesn't sound right. Although it says it right there, Native American tribal structure. American, doesn't sound right, but whatever. It is absolutely beautiful out here. Babe and I are just sitting down right now, chilling. So y'all, this is the food that we have. I have some type of chicken, not quite sure what kind, corn, and baby have the pulled pork. Yes. Well, I was gonna ask her is it good, but we haven't had it yet. But you guys, so this is what it looks like where we are sitting down eating. I mean, absolutely amazing. We're gonna give you guys some more views, but we're finna go ahead and enjoy our lunch right now. Look at my sexy baby. Are you enjoying yourself?
I love this.
Y'all, look at this. This baby is freaking crazy. Look at the eagles in the sky. Y'all, this is crazy, okay? Look at babe. Babe, tell them what you're trying to do.
I want to take a picture on the cliff edge. On the
Why?
edge of the cliff. Because I'm at the Grand Canyon.
You took plenty of photos on the cliff.
Not at the edge. Not at the edge.
Y'all, it is so freaking amazing out here. Of course, y'all know the videos and the pictures and everything not even have a quarter of the amazing view that this is, y'all. It is just, I have the, what was that,
I
babe?
don't know, but it was loud. Is there? I was like, oh.
All right, y'all, we're gonna keep on walking. I'm gonna try to keep going, girl, because I was scared, honey. I was lowering myself down. I said, oh no. And then they got the flies and stuff all around. But he did tell us though that anywhere around here you're still 30 feet away from the edge. I was like, it don't seem like it. To me it seemed extreme caution. Watch for falling rocks. Jesus, it's just getting more and more dangerous, child. The more and more I get into it. Y'all, I told my mama we was coming to the Grand Canyon. She said, oh, that sounds scary. Now I got to tell the girl it was way more scary than I thought it would be, honey. I thought, oh, you know, Grand Canyon's going to be fantastic, girl. They got a little tour and all of this. Honey, when I tell you this Grand Canyon didn't wore my ass out. And it was a tour. Oh, we ain't really walked anywhere, but one of them things.
Beautiful blue sky. Look at that.
Y'all, let me turn it around so y'all can. Baby, the skies do look amazing. Everything just looks amazing, you guys. Y'all can see there's a ton of people out here. And there's baby. There's babe. It's just so freaking amazing out here, y'all. Look at that. Here's babe. There's babe. It's just so freaking amazing.
My balancing rock trying to get.
You see the 4 towers behind the dam? That's where water pours down through it. Turns into
Y'all, we have made it to the Hoover Dam. Tay is out here looking for sheep, bushy tail sheep to be exact, because our tour guide told her that she would see some. So
I'm looking. I ain't seen it yet.
she looking, and you guys look at the Hoover Dam. Where you see it, the discoloration, it has went down that much over the past few years. Crazy, crazy, crazy. But yeah, so this is our last stop, y'all, and then we are headed to the house. Gonna finish enjoying this, and we'll kind of chit chat with you guys about a whole little view once we get back to the house.